Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Southampton County in southeastern Virginia until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It's 4:06 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located near Claresville, or 8 miles east of Dahlia, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wakens around 4:30 p.m. Newsom's around 4:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Adams Grove, Sunbeam, Branchville, Druryville, Shiloh, Little Texas, Wirral, and Capra. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling NOAA's National Weather Service in Wakefield at 757-899-2415.
I'm gonna plug this in.
Issued at 3:50.